couple songs for you guys, and I hope you like them. some of your questions. And Nikki over here.
Hey guys.
And the bun on her head looks a little messy today. Just giving her a hard time.
It's humid out here.
It's humid, yes it is. And I hear there are storms coming in our vicinity in 20 to 30 minutes. But you guys are still gonna say, right? I don't think so, because that would suck. Anyways, she's going to ask me some of your questions. Actually, y'all are gonna ask me the questions and I'll answer them.
Yeah, so we collected the questions before, and where's Maddie? Okay, Maddie's the first person.
Hi, Demi.
Hi, Maddie.
My question is, your dog Oliver, when you're eating, does he ever try to steal your food?
Oh my god, that's the best question that I've ever been asked. Yes, he does. How did you know that? That's creepy.
Experience.
Wow.
Okay, next question, Nora.
Hi, Demi.
Hi.
I love you. You're
you
like
too.
my idol.
Thanks. Look, got like crazy winky just
Yeah.
now. I'm trying to hold my dress together.
Yeah, welcome to Chicago. My question is, if you could be a celeb for 1 week, who would you be and why?
If I could be a celebrity for 1 week, wonder what it's like to be one of those. I would probably be Queen Elizabeth, because how much would that be? Like, how incredible would that be to be like a queen, but like the actual queen for a day? You get to have all those jewels.
Olympics.
Okay, Lex. Oh,
Hi, Demi. First of all, I love you, and I love you guys so much. Like, Shari, I've got all your songs on my phone and stuff. I wanted to ask you what the furthest, a fan has ever traveled for you. Because I'm actually from France. I came all the way from France to see you guys tonight.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. You know, I've had some pretty awesome fans that have traveled to countries to come to my concert, and it always blows my mind because it's like, I just can't imagine somebody like getting on a plane and being like, I'm gonna go to Demi's concert. Like, that's so weird to me, but I'm very, very thankful. So thank you so much.
okay, Blythe.
Hi, Demi.
Hi.
I love you, and I just wanted to say that you saved my life, and next week is my first week at Timberline Knolls.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you, and
Yeah, of course.
I had a question for you too. What was your most memorable childhood birthday and why?
My most memorable childhood birthday. I don't know. I think when I was about like 4 or 5, my stepdad just did a lot for my birthday. Plans had kind of fallen through, and my stepdad really stepped up to the plate, and that was like the first time where I ever looked at my stepdad as like my dad. So I think that's been the most memorable one. It wasn't like the craziest birthday party that I ever had. I didn't get really extremely nice gifts, like I got a Barbie, but he was really, I don't know, I felt loved. So that's the most memorable. Yeah, go Eddie.
Okay, last question, Cassie.
Hi, Demi.
Hi.
Okay, my question is, if reincarnation is real, who do you think you were in a past life that reflects who you are today?
You know,
That's not hard.
I kind of want to say Billie Holiday, because I have this weird emotional attachment to her. Sounds really weird, but, and I think that's why I love her music, and I think, you know, we both, oh my God. She's obviously ready for the show tonight. No, but I think we both, like, you know, have a lot of soul in our voices, and I just relate to her a lot, so no way can I ever compare to her, but she is someone that I feel like I have a weird spiritual attachment to.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. So you guys want to hear one more song? Before Let's do it.